talk about teams, if we talk about leadership, in any relationship we step into, accountability and responsibility is always at the top, that we need to really bring that into place, but it's how we do that. You have a unique voice. You have a unique quality that you need to bring in. And if you are constantly focusing on what the others are expecting of you, we are missing the flow. We are missing the point. We're going to get exhausted. We need to start living from impact, not from perfection. We need to start connecting, because from our real selves we start connecting. We need to listen more. That's what happens when we show up in our relationships, not in a pleasing manner, but in an authentic manner, where we truly come in with impact. So we're not here to try and impress others. We're trying to bring value. People follow leaders that are truly working with impact and focus, really working with connection. People connect with realness. People connect when the focus is on the impact and not on trying to get approval.